Alright, so number 6a, calculate the value of y when x equals to 0. So means substitute x0. So 2x jadi kosong. Here will become ln 1. Ln 1 equals to 0. So e negative 2y equals to 2. Move your e will be equals to log e. So log e equivalent to ln 2. Then move your negative 2. So this is your value y when x equals to 0. So for 6b, differentiate with respect to x implicitly, and then we have to show this. So we have to differentiate up to second derivative. Then only we can show this equation. Okay, so differentiate exponential. Salin soalan differentiate power. Because of y, implicitly differentiate on y with respecting on x. Okay, so for 2xy, you can notice that here we have two unknowns, which is x and y. Then these two unknown is in product form hasil darab. So to differentiate this, we need product rule. So product rule say that salin yang depan differentiate yang belakang, salin yang belakang differentiate yang depan. So salin dah, sekarang kita buat differentiate. Differentiate yang belakang y, we get dy dx implicitly. Differentiate on depan 2x, we get just 2 respecting x, so no problem. Then plus differentiate ln. So differentiate ln, salin isi pelut ln, differentiate-nya di atas. Differentiate nombor jadi kosong. Differentiate 2x ni dapat negatif 2. So for right hand side, differentiate 2 constant, we get 0. Alright. Okay, so we simplify this. So I rewrite it into the better way we can read it. So for this, for the rational here, we can notice that only x at denominator we can pull up to become power rule. Kuasa dia negative 1. It will be easier than you using quotient rule. Okay? So we differentiate again. One more time. So for the first term here, exponential and dy dx. Product rule. Again, salin yang depan, differentiate yang belakang, salin yang belakang, differentiate yang depan. Okay, so differentiate yang belakang, dy dx, we get second derivative d2y dx square. So differentiate yang depan, exponential, salin soalan, differentiate power dia, negatif 2, dan because of y, implicitly dy dx. Okay, so this is for our first term. Then we continue for second term. Second term also in product form, where is 2x times dy dx. So salin yang depan, differentiate yang belakang, salin yang belakang, differentiate yang depan. For second term here, differentiate yang belakang dy dx, we get d2y dx square. Differentiate yang depan 2x, we get 2. Continue for third term, where we going to differentiate 2y. 2y, it will become 2 dy dx implicitly because of y. Continue this term using power rule. Power turun depan become positive 2. Power tolak 1. Power tolak 1. Differentiate dalam kurungan, we have negative 2x, we get negative 2. Then for the right hand side, differentiate 0, of course, get back 0. Then we done all the differentiation procedure. We just need to rearrange so that we can get this. So you gather back what's your term involving second derivative, what's your term involving d2 dy dx squared, what's the term of dy dx, and what's the term of this. Alright. So we can gather d2y dx squared, d2y dx squared. This term we can gather it together. So negative 2e and then 2x. So together, this is for d2y dx squared. Then followed by second term is about dy dx squared. So dy dx squared only having this term only. So it just simplify, negative 2 will become positive 4. Then continue, dy dx, the term involving dy dx, obviously we have 2 dy dx, in total we're having 4 dy dx. So lastly, this one, we put back in fraction form. So negative 2, negative 4. And then we can notice that our equation can be simplified, where we can divide by 2. So when we divide by 2, we rearrange here x minus e negative 2y, exactly like the questions. Then when this one divide by 2, also we get exactly like questions.